In this demonstration I'm going to show you how to use a custom interface and a basic image to create the animated effect. So I open my scene, I create my interface. It doesn't need to be anything big, so I'm just leaving it at the standard settings. I am going to center the interface, symbol of the screen. I'm going to go to my open configuration editor. I'm going to add the sun as a child, size it accordingly so it's the full size of the interface, make it a picture, and do what basically I did before. So we'll have the sun happy animation. Is it on there? No, not on there. I'm going to set this to fit 4 frames because it's 4 frames, and about 15 frames per second. But that'll give you a reasonable animation. But you want to play with that to see how smooth it can be. So I'll press OK, set it to show on start. Press OK. If we have a quick look, we'll see there's our animation. Now, because it's on a picture, it's not dealing with a transparent background, so that's obviously a little bit of a problem for this version. So what we can do to get around that is I open the custom interface and set the background image to be a transparent image about the same size as the frame. It'll stretch it to fit anyway, but if we do it as a transparent PNG, something like that, just export it as a PNG, open that, apply it, that's okay, that gets rid of your background. Now you can see I've got a little bit of where I've not quite perfectly lined up the image when I've made it, but you've got an image there now. Now this is a background to the custom interface, so this is just sort of sat there. You can place it anywhere on the custom interface. So let's just have a quick look. So if I open the configuration editor and I decide to put it in the top left instead, so I'll put it there. Actually, let's put it in the top right. Put it there. Press OK. You can see it's now in that smaller and in that corner. So that's another way of animating a simple image. If you found this useful, feel free to buy me a coffee.